why would I choose Jumping Jack Tax over those other companies when I need my refund? I need all the money I can get.
Well, when it comes down to it, most of your free platforms are hosted, or affiliates of the IRS. Okay. So when you think of it in terms of that, do you really think that they're going to offer a free platform that's going to maximize your tax refund when they're the ones that's giving you the check?
They tell me they are.
You know, at the end of the day, I'm not questioning their integrity. What I am saying is it's a very tangible question, right? Like, are they going to truly give you a platform that's going to maximize your tax refund? You don't know. It's a huge chance that you're taking. I've seen a lot of cases where people go to the use the free software and then come to a preparer, and it's like a $1,600 to $2,000 difference in the numbers. Now, I'm not saying that they're doing anything, but what I am saying is that the IRS does not work for you. The tax preparer works for you. And so when you try to remove the tax preparer from the situation, it's almost like you decided that you were going to build your own house without any help. I'm just going to come in to my little land, and I'm just going to start building. And you have no idea how to build a house. You just told me you don't know anything about taxes. Why would you utilize a free tax software if you don't know what you're doing? We have over 300 partners that are certified, went through tax school, that are educated on how to maximize your tax refund, and they're going to go to work for you because they want to earn your business, not just this year. They want to earn your business for years to come. And not just your business, they want you to send your cousins, your friends, and everybody. So they're going to work hard to make sure that you get every dollar that you have. And so that's my main reason that I would definitely say utilize our company. But to go even deeper now, you have a company like Jumping Jack Taxes. And our mission is where we have the first community center that's going up in Philly in January, where we're going to be able to actually educate the community. Our goal is to put those across the country. And we can't do that if the community itself does not support us. We do a lot of jibber jabber about how people get rich and move out of the area, right? So where you have a tax company that's moving up the ladder and gaining assets, and they're buying buildings right back in the community. What tax company is doing that? And they're billion-dollar tax companies. We haven't gotten there yet. I said yet. They haven't even did a book drive.
For real. Turkey, nothing.
Yeah. 4 months go by, they collect, and then you don't see anybody for 8 months.
Close down.
Right? We are talking about putting on financial literacy classes, educating the community on real estate, everything financial, life insurance, will and trust, everything, and so, but the only way that will happen is with everyone else's support. We buy Jordans, we buy Fendi bags, we buy everything else that we feel like is so super important. But when it comes to supporting your own and investing in your own community, then we vanish, right? Then it's oh, I could do this, I could do that. You either with the mission or not. Mission 100K.
And I think it was just to piggyback off of that, and I'm glad you said that. And people don't realize the IRS does not work for you. And I'll say that one more time. They don't work for you. So much so that if you left money on the table that is rightfully owed to you, they have no law in place where they have to send you a letter or call you to say, hey, Ron, I got your money. You forgot to pick it up. You have to call your tax professional, and the tax professional has to find the error and then submit an amendment or amended return to get the money from the year prior that you left on the table, or they won't say anything to you.
How am I supposed to know that?
Unless you went to a tax professional. Unless you went to a professional.
Thus staying away from the free software. The free software is not going to tell you that.
It's not.
You know.
And you know what it reminds me of? And this is a perfect analogy. It reminds me of you getting a court-appointed attorney.
That is a perfect analogy.
Do you know the court-appointed attorney works for the court? They're public. They work for the public system, the court. That's who they get paid by.
Right.
That's why they have a caseload up to their eyeballs.
Right.
And they literally get your case the day of your court date. So you going in there to go sit in front of the judge, and then guess who's on the other side that's trying to convict you? The district attorney that been studying your case for weeks. And now you're talking about a court-appointed attorney that just saw your case today. You think they really going to win that case?
Right.
You're done. It's over for you. As opposed to you walking in with your own lawyer, with his own set of knowledge, and he actually works for you, and he's making sure you ain't going to jail or you're not paying no fines. That's the difference between you going with the free software that is in partnership with the IRS, and you having your own outside tax professional that's like, no, we going to war with the IRS because we making sure you get every penny back that is rightfully owed to you legally.